Okay, after I have filled all of my irrigation water tankage, which did not require any filtration from direct rainwater, as I really don't mind a bit of nutrient getting in there. As far as the potable water and water for human uses, I am taking these multi-phase steps in order to be sure that a lot of that organic material is excluded. So what you just saw is the top layer, which is the stainless steel filter at the base of that metal bucket. And now I'm showing you the 2 foot wide, 2 foot tall, 6 foot long galvanized steel stock tank, and then the layers of canvas plastic sheeting and a ratchet strap that make it sealed from evaporation, and the canvas blocks the UV rays so the plastic sheeting holds up. And this has been an experiment. It was a high stakes experiment. I wanted to move away from 55-gallon plastic water storage drums and IBC totes because they degrade, they leach toxic chemicals, and they also can leach the previous ingredients. And even if they were food grade ingredients, we probably all know that that's not saying much. And I've had extreme agonizing pain from some of the leachate before, so I'm really over it. Plus, it's been pointed out that they burn in fires, so I'm moving towards metal tankage. However, the price points to even get started with cisterns that are designed to have lids basically for mass water storage, they're pretty high. So a stock tank and this makeshift strategy of plastic sheeting to create a evaporation barrier, and canvas 6x9 drop cloths that are relatively cheap and totally ubiquitous, and I use them for all kinds of things. It's my new favorite material. And then just a ratchet strap that you can find in any hardware store, and that secures both the plastic sheeting and the canvas to the very snug to the stock tank, which then allows it to survive wind, to resist any kind of penetration of critters. And it was, I don't know how long it was before I needed to start dipping into these because I topped them off, but there was no breach by critters of any kind. I was worried about coyotes just tearing them apart. They didn't mess with them. I thought I'd have to put wire mesh to cover them, and that just seemed like an eyesore, so I gambled and I said maybe they'll do okay, and they did. So this is the end result.